Hyper-V is a critical, super important component of Microsoft's entire business strategy. And I say that because it is present in so many things. So Hyper-V was always present in Windows Server, and it still is today. You go out and install Windows Server 2025. Hyper-V is there as a usable role if you want to. Excuse me. Hyper-V is, of course, available on Windows 10, Windows 11. I think it's just the Pro SKUs, if I remember right. I don't remember if it's there on Home or not.
And then there's another oddball SKU I always forget about. It's not in Home.
It's not in Home, yeah. So it is also available in Azure Local. And unless you've been really up to date on the news from Microsoft Ignite back in November, Azure Local is the new name for Azure Stack HCI, which is basically a packaged up version of, I don't want to say Windows Server, but it's not really Windows.
It's really hard to put a good category on that, doesn't it?
So it's a packaged up on-premises install of Hyper-V, Storage Spaces Direct, which is the hyper-converged storage component in Windows Server, as well as software-defined networking. And then it uses, excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. And then it uses Azure Arc as its management plane. Arc is basically pulls in on-premises resources or resources living in other clouds into the management plane of Microsoft Azure. That's a whole other episode in and of itself, talking about that. But basically, that's like a cloud-managed on-premises infrastructure, basically, is what Azure Local is. Hyper-V is a core component of that strategy. Hyper-V is also the core hypervisor that underpins the entire Microsoft Azure cloud ecosystem. So it is, you can only imagine how many instances of Hyper-V are present just because of that.